What's your name?
Yeah,
What's your
my name's
company?
Jim. Yeah, and I work for J&J Plumbing and Gasfitters, mainly residential work, new homes, extensions, that kind of thing, yeah.
Compared to other systems, how does the install time on SharkBite?
Oh, yeah, install time on SharkBite. Well, I have used crimp many years ago, moved over to SharkBite 13, 14 years ago, and install for ease, for time is so much better. You know, I can get through a job, just say like this single story home, a good hour quicker, I'd reckon, yeah. And I've never had a problem. The ease of install compared to crimp, if I was to put a mixer on the wall and then try and crimp it, I can't because the noggin's in the way. So, but with the SharkBite, I can mount my mixers and work to the mixer and the job's done. So it's so much easier and quicker.
What testing or inspection do you do after install?
Yeah, look, most domestic jobs that we do, they have water on the property at mains pressure. So just a mains pressure check, and water stays on for the duration of the job. I'll go around and inspect every fitting to make sure there's no drips, which, you know, very rarely or never have any. But if there's no water on property, we use our pressure testing bucket and test it that way. Yeah.
Cool. On a scale of 1 to 10, how confident are you in the long-term performance?
Look, as I said, 13, 14 years I've been using it, so I'd give it a 10. Yeah, I've never had a problem.
Tooling costs and that kind of thing, do you save?
Well, absolutely. The tooling cost really for SharkBite is just your cutters. You know, if your cutters go blunt, you replace them, and you know, a pair of cutters cost you $50. So compared to buying crimpers and jaws and that kind of thing. So yeah, no, it outweighs it by a mile.
If you had to sum up SharkBite Max in one sentence, what would you say?
Okay, sum up SharkBite in one sentence. Well, I'd say speed, ease, works out to be very cost effective. So yeah.
Would you recommend it to other businesses?
Oh, 100%. Yeah. Look, I tell all my friends that are plumbers, you know, to get on board. Most of them already are anyway, but the ones that aren't, yeah, I tell them get on board. Yeah.
Beautiful.